Hello, today I'm going to be servicing the CIS scanner glass of Kodak Alaris 2060 scanner. So right now I've already opened it up. I'm sorry I couldn't show you how I was able to open the I was able to get access to this point. At this particular area, this is where the scanner is located. You can see the scanner is out. I will be cleaning it up and I'll show you how to clean it up. Now the issue with this is that there is the image is not clear. The upper scanner and the lower scanner, the images are not clear. So today I'm going to show you how to service it and clean up the glass. You can see the glass. When you get to this part of the scanner, just clean it up like this, and then you get a tissue or a piece of cloth is better, because tissue can leave particles on the glass of this particular scanner and we don't want that. So the best item to use is a piece of cloth. A piece of white cloth. White cloth is better because you can be able to see the amount of dirt that has built up on the glass. So there's another scanner inside which I'm going to get access to. You're going to get your regular screwdriver, star screwdriver. I'm going to open this part of the scanner, and this is it. That is the main scanner itself. I am going to clean it up, and this is the laser part of the scanner. This is very delicate. Remember, don't touch with your hands, and then while cleaning you have to be as careful as possible. So I'm going to gently clean the laser. Gently clean the laser like this. Okay, so when that is done, there is another glass here I'm going to clean out. So I'm going to put the tissue paper in between, and then I'll just clean it out, and that is it. So to be able to get access to to be able to open up this scanner to this level, I'm sorry I couldn't capture the parts where I was opening it up to this level, and the reason is because by the time I started recording, I've already opened up the scanner already. But if you can check my other videos I have a couple of videos that shows you how to be able to get to this part of the scanner. Just check my videos, you should be able to see there. You should be able to see one or two videos that'll show you how to be able to get to this level. So I've been able to clean. This is the lower scanner. There is another scanner I'm going to clean. That is the upper scanner, because this is a double scanner. It scans both the front page and the back page at the same time. So I've been able to clean one part of the scanner. I'm going to go to the second part of the scanner and clean it up also. So I'm going to gently open up this particular upper scanner. I'm through with the other scanner, which is the lower scanner. So this is the upper scanner. I'm going to repeat the same process for the upper scanner. I'm going to remove the front glass. This is the front glass. Get a piece of white cloth and just clean. You don't need to apply any form of liquid. A piece of white cloth will do. Just clean it out gently. Remember, if you apply any liquid that is corrosive, it can damage the scanner. It can damage the laser or any components of the scanner, and this particular part of the scanner is very expensive. You have to be as careful as possible when dealing with this part of the scanner. So I'm going to clean it out the same way I cleaned the first one. You can see this is the glass, the mirror. This takes image direct from the laser scanner. It takes images from it and then it reflects it. So it's clean now. I'm going to close it up gently. So okay, there's another part I missed which I just cleaned now. So just clean evenly all parts of the scanner. You can see I'm using a piece of cloth this time around. I don't want any debris or particles from the initial tissue paper I was using to be left in the scanner glass. I'm going to close it up right now and screw them back. So when working with scanners like this, you should keep all the screws in one spot. If possible, separate them according to the parts, so that when you're replacing them, it becomes easy for you to know which screw is going into which part of the scanner. So that is it. I am going to go ahead and close it up, and then remember to like and subscribe to this channel. And then if you have one or two questions, you can just hit me up in the comment section, and I will try as much as possible to respond to you. And then if you want to know how I was able to open the scanner, to be able to get access to this part of the scanner, the CIS itself and the scanner glass, you can just hit me up in the comment section. I will link you to, I'll send a link to one of my videos to you that shows you how to be able to get access to this part of the scanner.